Hi, I'm Michelle Smart. I'm an enrolled agent. And the question is, can I still file for the Employee Retention Tax Credit or the ERC? Yes, you can. You can file for 2021. Now, the IRS has really scared people off due to the enormous amount of fraud that has occurred on this refund. That does not mean that the refund is invalid. Of course, it is valid. You just need to do it correctly and you need to qualify. So, how do you qualify? There are 3 different ways to qualify. One is through partial suspension. One is due to a gross receipts reduction, and the other is being a recovery startup business. Now, these are detailed in my other videos, so I won't go into that now. So what's just really important is that you don't go to somebody who's not a professional, who's not either an enrolled agent, CPA, or an attorney, and you don't go to somebody who is not qualified and or tells you that everyone qualifies for this credit. No, everyone doesn't qualify. The most important step to take is to first see that you qualify and make sure that you document all of that. If you document it all and you qualify, and then you do the calculations correctly and you send in the form correctly, then there is no reason to worry. Because if you get audited, then you have all the documents and everything is set up, and you can prove to the IRS, yes, I qualified and here are my calculations. So I just want to encourage people who have been scared away by these people who have committed billions of dollars in, well, what is it? They got $1 billion. The IRS got back $1 billion in fraudulent claims. And if you read about these claims, they're extraordinarily fraudulent. So don't let it scare you off. I think maybe there's just a scare they want to end it early, but the law is still that it is available to you for 2021. And how much money is it? For qualified wages for first quarter 2021, 70% of wages up to $10,000 per employee. So that could be $10,000 per employee. The same amounts for second quarter, 70% up to $10,000 per employee. And that's another $7,000 per employee. Now, third quarter, it's the same thing, only a lot of people don't qualify in third quarter. You have to qualify either by gross receipts reduction or by being a recovery startup business, because most of the suspensions were gone in third quarter. Not every single one, but most of them were gone by third quarter. Fourth quarter, you have to be a recovery startup business, and the limitation of the refund is $50,000 per quarter. So don't just assume this thing is over. It's not over. There is the bill that was passed by the House on January 31st, and that was the Taxpayers Relief and Workers Act of 2024. That has just been stalled in the Senate. If that bill did pass, it would mean the ERC ended already as of January 31st, 2024, retroactively, but it is doubtful that that's going to pass because it retroactively changes other tax law for 2023. And we are already now at May 1st, 2024. So a lot of people have already filed their tax returns, and this would just not be very practical to pass that law. So consider the ERC. And if you have any questions, please post below. Thank you so much. I'm Michelle Smart. I'm an enrolled agent.